Yeah, definitely wash day today. Let's do this. I washed my hair. You guys, I have been trying this For You deep conditioning hair mask, and y'all, my hair loves it. It loves it. Like, at least my hair is super duper moisturized. I'm telling you, you need to try that. I know I use a lot of hair products, but girl, that one, that one is one of the best ones I've tried so far as far as hair masks. And I love that the ingredients are clean. But you guys, the star of the show. Are you ready for the star of the show today? Are you ready? Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Drum roll, please. Come here so we can show them. The Deuce Mousse. This is the Crazy Sexy Curl Supercharged Honey all-in-one setting foam. And this is the only product I'm going to use today. And yeah, I've heard such good things about this mousse. You guys, let's not even waste any time. Let's just get started. I'm not even going to talk. So I finished finger coiling my hair. It didn't really take me long, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes to do the whole thing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my hair air dry a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and diffuse. But you guys, look at the definition. It's like, what? here are my thoughts. First of all, it smells really good. It smells really good, and the definition is there. The definition is definitely there. We're gonna see how my hair looks after I diffuse it, and to see if there's any frizz or whatever. And if there is, I'll just go back and reapply some. But it's supposed to detangle, condition, define, hold, and shine. I definitely see the shine. I definitely see the definition, the condition, and the detangle. Girl, this right here has great slip. So I definitely love it so far. My hair is so cute. Look at the back. Like, what? All right, so I'm going to diffuse my hair, and then I'm going to come back with the results. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at my curls. They are so defined, and it's so bouncy, and like, it doesn't feel heavy. It feels super duper light on my hair. All of the curls are super duper defined, and just wow. Wow. I gotta separate some curls. Wow. I separated most of the curls. I think I have a few. This one's a little damp. I'm gonna leave it alone. But just wow. Look at the definition, you guys. This is day one hair. Day one. Day one. Like, what? I used to always think my hair was like 3B, 3C hair, but I'm thinking my hair is maybe kinky curly. What do you guys think? Now that I haven't dyed my hair in over a year now, I feel like my curls are looking kinky, like they're tight. They're tight curls now. Before, like I said, it would be like this. My hair used to be like this all throughout my whole hair. Like the big curls, but now it's like tight curls, and I love it. I love it. The shrinkage definitely is shrinking. But girl, I look like Annie. The Black Annie. What do we think? What do we think? Oh my God. I love it. I truly do. And this is day one. So I am so excited for day 5 to see how the curls last. I definitely highly recommend. I'm so obsessed. It does everything it says on the bottle. It's 4-in-1. You don't even need anything else except a heat protector for if you diffuse your hair. It's so good. Thank you guys for watching my video. You guys definitely need to try out that mousse. Like 100% need to try that mousse. I'll see you guys in the next one.